In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Redotpay virtual card to your PayPal account. It's super easy, and once it's linked, you can use it for online payments or to verify your PayPal. First, open your Redotpay app and go to the card section. Tap your virtual card to reveal all the details, the full card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Make sure you copy these or keep the screen open, because you're going to need them in a moment. Now open your PayPal app. At the bottom, go to Wallet. Here you'll see your PayPal balance, your linked banks, and your cards. Tap Add New, then choose Debit and Credit Cards. PayPal will ask for card number, expiry date, security code, CVV, billing address. Just enter the exact same details you see on your Redotpay card. For the billing address, use the same address you used in Redotpay when you activated the card. After filling everything in, tap Add Card. PayPal might try to run a small verification charge, usually around $1 or $2. Don't worry, this is normal and it gets refunded automatically. If everything is correct, your Redotpay Visa card will now show up inside your PayPal wallet. Once it appears there, you're good to go. You can use it for online purchases, subscriptions, and even to verify your PayPal account. And as you can see here, I'm used mine to make some purchases.